Welcome to Four Wheel Channel. Buckle up, because today we're diving into an electrifying review of one of the most anticipated luxury sedans of 2025, the Audi S8. With its potent blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, this car is ready to set the road on fire, and we can't wait to show you why. The 2025 Audi S8 is more than just a sedan. It's a masterpiece of engineering that merges Audi's signature elegance with a heart-pounding driving experience. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Imagine rolling up with that sleek, aggressive front grille, glistening aerodynamic body that screams speed, and those matrix LED headlights. Not only do they light up the road with precision, but they also give the S8 a futuristic glow that'll turn heads wherever you go. But step inside, and you'll be in another world. The Audi S8's cabin is the epitome of luxury, with sumptuous Nappa leather seats, genuine wood panels, and dual touchscreens that seem to respond as if by magic. Whether you're the driver or just along for the ride, this spacious interior ensures that every journey is a first-class experience. Now let's talk power, because under the hood, this beast has a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that pumps out a staggering 563 horsepower, paired with Audi's Quattro AWD system and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This powerhouse delivers acceleration that'll leave your heart racing and your passengers gripping their seats. And with adaptive suspension, you can switch from smooth and refined to downright thrilling with just the push of a button. Whether you're navigating city streets or flying down an open highway, this car adjusts effortlessly to the road and your mood. So, what's the price to get behind the wheel of this marvel? The 2025 Audi S8 is expected to start at around $120,000 to $130,000, but with Audi's customization options, it can climb higher for those who want to make it uniquely their own. Want the finest leather, the most advanced tech, or a bold new paint finish? You got it. Fully loaded, the S8 can reach $150,000 or more. But for a car that offers this level of performance and luxury, it's worth every penny. So, what do you think? Are you ready to experience the thrill of the Audi S8? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more exhilarating reviews from Four Wheel Channel. Drive safe, because there's always someone waiting for you back home. Until next time, happy driving.